Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's introduce ourselves. We are from group 4, and this one is we are a student at high school Digitech University. We are will explain the difference of Windows 98 and Mandrake Linux 5.1 in the operating system course taught by Professor Muhammad Nur Fitriadi to fulfill for a middle half evaluation. Okay, let's introduce our member of group. And first, I am is Adnan Faris Irawan, and then here is Evelyn Atalia Manuela Lambo Torwan, and third is Reina Putri, and last is Hanif Al-Muzaffar. Okay guys, let's move the first topic. The first is this is a table of content, and I am is first explain. This one is I introduction and SO Windows 98 and overview. Okay, this introduction is this presenter compares Windows 98 and Mandrake Linux 5.1, two operating system released in 1998. The compare includes is a graphical user interface or GUI and the features and system requirement, and less is strength and weakness. Okay, the first is Windows 98. What this one? Is the cube or is cubic? No. Windows 98 is released year 1998. This Windows is a system operating system developed by Microsoft. A founder is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. For your information, designed for home and office user. And key improvement, first is better plug and play support. Second is integrate Internet Explorer 4. We are using Chrome, yes. And 3 is improve USB support. And 4 is an enhancement multimedia performance. There is a Windows 98. Let's move to second explain in Atalia Manuela Lambotarwan.
Hello everyone, I'm Evelyn Atalia Manuela Lambotarwan with student ID number 2012-4013. Now I will explain about Linux 5.1. Linux 5.1 overview released year 1998. Based on Red Hat Linux, focus on creating a user-friendly Linux distribution. Use KDE as the desktop environment, open source and free to modify, more stable for multitasking. The comparison between Windows 98 and Linux 5.1 from the GUI, including GUI comparison. Windows 98 familiar and simple desktop layout, start menu plus text bar, Windows Explorer file manager, very easy for beginners. Linux 5.1 KDE desktop environment, application menu similar to the start menu, more customization option, slightly more complex for the new user. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Evelyn, for your explain is so good. Okay, guys, let's move to a third. In third is feature comparison and system requirement by Reina Putri. For Reina Putri, let's see.
Next, we move on to the feature comparisons between Windows 98 and Madrid Linux 5.1. Windows 98 is well known for its strong capability with audio software and games. It also provides easy hardware installations, making it user-friendly even for beginners. In the realm of multimedia, Windows 98 offers good performance for playing music and videos. Additionally, it includes a built-in web browser Internet Explorer 4. Madrid Linux 5.1. On the other hand, Magic Linux 5.1 delivers different sets of advantages. It offers more stable multitasking and operating system. Magic provides better security compared to Windows 98. It comes with a built-in office tool and developer applications. And most importantly, Magic Linux is free and open source. So overall, Windows 98 focuses on capability and easy to use, while Magic Linux emphasizes security and stability. And now, let's take a look at the system requirements. Windows 98 requires 496 or Pentium processor. For memory is needed around 16 to 24 MB of RAM. It also requires approximately 500 MB of storage space. Magic Linux 5.1. So Magic Linux 5.1 uses the same type of processor, 596 or Pentium, and however, it is the latter, needing only 8 to 16 MB of RAM installed. Install requirements are similar to Windows 98 at around 500 MB. This shows that Magic Linux is more lightweight, especially in RAM USD, making it suitable for other and lower spec computer. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you Reina Putri. And last is a man from my group. This is Hanif Al-Muzaffar. For Hanif Al-Muzaffar, let's see.
Next, string of HOS. First, Windows 98. One, very stable. Two, more secure. Three, highly customizable. And four, no licensing costs. Next, second, Mandrake Linux 5.1. One, extremely user-friendly. Two, excellent software and diverse support. And 3, great for home use and gaming. Next, conclusion. Windows 98 was better for everyday user who needed simplicity and broad software support. 2. Next, final conclusion. 1. Windows 98 was better for everyday user who needed simplicity and broad software support. 2. Mandrake Linux 5.1 was better for user who wanted stability, security, and customization. Both operating systems were strong in different ways depending on user needs. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, there is all explain and member for my groups or groups maybe. Sorry. Usually, thank you for Hanif conclusionnya. And then the last is I am so master of ceremony. I'm so sorry for my mistake or our member mistake, and thank you so much for your view our video. See you guys a next video or a next explain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.